Hi! In front of me is INFINIX Hot 20i, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize theme of your keyboard on this INFINIX. Firstly, just open Settings and scroll all the way down. Now select System. Over here, choose Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, and Keyboard. Finally, you can click on Theme section, scroll down and tap on Show More to see all the available ones. Now just click on the best one for you. I will go with that one. Switch off or on keyboarders thanks to this switcher and tap on Apply. When I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. But you can always customize it by going into the same settings and tapping on this plus icon instead. Now click on those two lines at the top left corner, choose the best source, in my case Downloads, and click on the photo that you wish to apply. Pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then choose Next, adjust brightness by swiping left or right, tap on Done, manage keyboarders and choose Apply. If you want to delete one of your keyboards, click on it, tap on this bin icon and confirm your choice in the pop-up. In order to edit one of your custom ones, click on the chosen one, tap on this bin icon instead and make your changes. Then choose Apply again. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!